Goodness. I need my husband. I mean, I'm gonna use it. I bought it, so. Things, I'm super excited about it in the moment. You know, for like a week or two, never pick it up again. You know, he's right. He's right. Sometimes.
Opinions to know how you're feeling, to know if you're losing or winning, left behind or within it, if you're sinking or swimming, existing or living. Nothing that they could do, nothing that they could say, nothing that they could do to take all the pain away. Sometimes it works out and sometimes it don't. Sometimes you win some and sometimes you won't. But we could be everything, anything that we see we could be. We could be everything that we want. We could be everything, anything that we see we could be. We could be anything that we want. But we could be everything.
We got another unboxing. I've been waiting for this for a day now. Because I have Amazon Prime. It's Breville! So as you all can tell, I got a blueser, which is such an interesting name. Basically, it is just a juicer and a blender all in one appliance. I've heard that Breville has great reviews and very high quality products. They did not sponsor this video. I bought this with my own coin. It was kind of pricey. Not me fighting with this thing. I need my husband. I already know my husband. He's gonna be like, Rye, if I don't see you using this every single day, you're returning it. And I just know that's what he's gonna say. I just know. And you know, he's valid. You know, sometimes I buy things, I'm super excited about it in the moment, you know, for like a week or two, never pick it up again. You know, he's right. He's right. Sometimes. Yo, look how beautiful this is. It's programmable. Do I need this? Yes. Yes, you do. I'm going to wash up all these pieces and make some juice. 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 Alright, y'all, so as you can see, it fits perfectly between my Bartesian and my Mr. Coffee Maker. So I'm super happy about that. I have gone ahead and assembled it. So I didn't attach this piece to it because I don't plan on making like a whole bunch of juice today. I just want to make one glass. So they recommended to just put this nozzle on if you're just gonna make one glass. And let's see if it turns on. Oh, would you look at that? It's on. Let's make some juice, yeah? Okay, so one of the first things you have to do is select a speed depending on which fruits you're going to be using. So I'm just using some like clementines and an apple, and so yeah, you can just kind of gauge it by that. So let's go ahead and get started. so I got my first glass of juice here. It is a little bit more foamy than I thought it would be, but it's probably something that I did. I don't think I pressed it slow enough, but here we go.
When I think about yesterday.
Oh my God, why is that so good? Wow. Hey, you want some? No worries, down there. But yeah, so all I put in this one was 1 apple and like 2 clementines. But I do plan, that's just what I had, you know, in my fridge as far as fruits and things like that. I gotta go to the store. But yeah, I mean, I plan on doing a lot more recipes with my blueser, I'm sorry. And so far so good. Like, I highly recommend Breville. Why is that so good though? All right, y'all, I'll see you later. Bye. Hey y'all, so as you know by now, I am on a health and fitness journey. Just to prepare my body to get ready to bear a child within the next 1 or 2 years, 3 years. I'm really not in a rush. So anyway, I think in this video you will have seen my review of the Breville Blueser. It's a juicer and a blender basically. So I've made a juice already. So in this one, it has beets, celery, lemon, oranges, blueberries, ginger. That's what's in this one. And also, this company, Organics Nature, reached out to me to review their premium sea moss gel. So sea moss is said to have 92 out of the 102 nutrients that human beings need. So it's good to take 2 to 3 tablespoons of this every single day. So I'm going to try and mix it in with my juice and see how that works out. Hopefully it mixes well. Honestly, it looks like applesauce. Can y'all see that? It kind of looks like applesauce, but not. I don't know, I'm a little bit nervous, but let's go ahead and see what this is about. Oh, it's very smooth. This is what it looks like. You know, maybe this would be better in a smoothie and not necessarily a juice. I think it's got maybe like the consistency of coconut oil. I don't know. So the sea moss gel is flavorless. Let me smell it. It literally has no smell to it. So the benefits of sea moss are it boosts your immune system, your energy levels. It's good for your digestion. It's good for your thyroid health. And it's also great for your hair, skin, and nails, which y'all know I need. Lord have mercy, my skin is so dry. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and taste it with you all. This is my first time trying this. Oh, goodness gracious. All right, let's go. Oh, let me say a prayer. Oh, wow. Yeah, it mixes in really well. It mixes in really well. And then of course, you know, the juice is really good too. Now I've never had beets. And I've heard that beets have a very earthy taste to them. And I think that's what I'm tasting. But the sea moss is flavorless and it doesn't smell like anything. If you have good quality sea moss, that is. Okay. That's pretty darn good. So yeah. if you're interested in trying out this organic sea moss, I will leave the link down below. And let me know if you try it. I'm hoping that it will aid with my journey to health and fitness, and I'm going to try it out for a month, and I'm going to come back at the very end of the month. Well, I guess in a month, so that would be in mid-July, and I will let y'all know if I've seen any benefits of it. Okay. Today, I'm going to be doing a clean with me, but right now this portion of it is just going to be me unboxing a few things. So I just received my package from Native. This is not sponsored. I spent my own coin. I've been using Native since the panorama. My husband is looking at me like I'm crazy. But yeah, I just wanted to show y'all what I got. So I just ran out of a face cleanser, so I got this one. It's supposed to be like a brightening cleanser. So I'm gonna try that out and see how that works. I've never tried their facial products before. I've only tried like their body care, like their body wash and their deodorant. So that was citrus and, I don't know how to pronounce that, bergamot? Not quite sure. But the body wash that I got, sweet peach and nectar. I love anything peach scented or peach flavored. Peach is also my favorite color. So I got that. I'm trying out this new scent of deodorant, buttercream and French vanilla. I'm not gonna lie, I thought this would be a little bit bigger, but I'm hoping that this smells pretty good. And I got like a mini one. Oh, no. Got a miniature one. So cute. So cute. All right, another body wash. This one is aloe and green tea. Oh, that smells so good. The aloe and green tea smells so good. I cannot wait to take my shower tonight. Oh, sweet peach and nectar smells so good. I think this one might be my favorite one. Oh my goodness. Oh, this is very buttercream and vanilla. I don't know how I feel about this one. Girl, I know everybody's like trying to smell like vanilla all day now. It's just not me, but I mean, I'm gonna use it. I bought it, so. This one is citrus and herbal musk, a deodorant. It's very faint. It's very faint. I like the smell though. Definitely like it more than the buttercream and French vanilla. I love anything eucalyptus scented. This one is, what's this one? Eucalyptus and mint. I thought the deodorants would have a stronger smell. All of them are very faint. Like, I like my deodorants to be like, oh, she got deodorant on. That's probably just me. I don't know. And then the last body wash that I got is eucalyptus and mint. Oh, that's heavenly. That smells really good. So if I had to rank them, I think if I had to rank them, definitely the sweet peach and nectar is my favorite. Then it would be the aloe and green tea. And then it would be the eucalyptus mint. That was for the body wash. Now the buttercream and French vanilla, now that's a very strong smell. So maybe it's just the eucalyptus and mint and the citrus and herbal musk that are very faint scents. But if I had to rank them, I'd actually probably do the citrus and herbal musk. Then I would do the eucalyptus mint. And then I do the buttercream and French vanilla. But out of all of these, this one smells the most fragrant. What do they call it? Throw? That's for candles. This one has a more intense smell. It smells like oranges and leaves. That's how I would describe this. Orange and leaves, citrus and bergamot. Yeah, so that's all for the Native products that I got. I did stop by Walmart when I got groceries. I saw this very cute little table throw. I don't know if I will use this on my table or if I'm actually going to just throw it over my my dresser upstairs. Yeah, I'm probably gonna put this on my dresser instead of my table. So, but I thought this was very cute. It's got tassels. Can you see the texture of it? It's beautiful. I stopped by Hobby Lobby and I got a couple of hooks. I'm going to hang up our aprons in the kitchen. I'm preparing for my husband's side of the family. Well, I guess they're my family too. Are coming over tomorrow for a very late brunch. Might as well just call it lunch at this point. They're coming over at 3, but knowing Black people, we're gonna be late, so I guess that is a brunch for us. I got these like serving trays. I got 3 of them. They were $12. They're porcelain, made in Portugal. Is this porcelain? Yo, is this porcelain? I don't know what this is, but it was made in Portugal, and I think it's super cute. It's got like kind of like beaded detail on the edges. So I got 3 of those. And also from Home Goods, got these very cute laundry baskets. They are huge, so I really love that. I love the detail on them, very classy. And these were $20 each. At Home Goods, I had a $30 like rewards thing for points. So I used that to get those. Or use it towards my purchase for everything. I believe that's all. I'm trying to think, is there anything else that I've gotten that I haven't shown you? Probably, but that's all for today. All right, thanks y'all, bye. All right, you ready, hon? Let's get this done.
And I wanna be alone with you. Alone, 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 alone.
We got this. Lord, please let us be safe. Please don't want to send us home.
Yeah, that's not worried about it. Staying with me home. I'm fine.
Be careful. You got it, love? All right, baby.